My name is Jack Churchman. I'm from Cut Crew Limited. We're a grounds maintenance company operating in Milton Keynes, Northamptonshire and Bedfordshire. We are currently Pegasus 493 owners and we've been using that machine for over a year now. The efficiency that it's produced for our business is insane and we're hoping to get the new 722 S5 very shortly. But the way that the Pegasus has been engineered, the time that it takes to maintain it, any height adjustments and stuff like that, it's just super easy for the operator. With other machines I've used in the past, you might have to take a double take over the grass to get it to a higher quality, but with the Trimax, we've never had an issue with the quality and it's always been one pass, mega simple and to the highest quality we can produce. We don't really need to worry about the wetness of the grass or any moisture content. It's more about whether we can get the tractor on there. I've never been let down by the Pegasus in wet grass, so more of a case of if the tractor can get on there, I know the Pegasus can handle it. The Pegasus S5 has caught my attention, but also with the zero daily maintenance, all the bearings are sealed, they don't need maintenance. General use of the machine is way more efficient. Whenever we turn up to site, the time that we're spending greasing the machine or setting the height or whatever it may be, that time obviously can be used elsewhere, whether it's trimming up the edges or just moving on to another task. So it's going to help us massively in that aspect. I would say if you're considering purchasing a Trimax, get a demo. The reason why I say that is because it will just times your want probably by 100%. If you're coming from an old series of the Pegasus, you'll notice the detail that have gone into it and how much efficiency it's going to produce your business. If you're moving from another brand to Trimax, then you'll realise the ease of life that you're going to have if you purchase the machine and you'll see the efficiency that it can produce.